Want to secure your progress and play Delta Force across different devices? Learn how to bind your game account to your Facebook and safeguard your achievements. Binding your Delta Force account to a Facebook profile is a crucial step for safeguarding your game progress and often allows for seamless play across different devices or platforms. So, what you want to do is, from the launcher, click on the top right icon, below the cross button. There, go to Account Center, then to Bind Account. The first option should be Facebook. Click on the corresponding button that says Bind. Once you're there, you'll have to put in the email and password of your Facebook account. And once you do, you'll have linked your Facebook account with your Delta Force account. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.